I propped the human's phone up while she wasn't looking. I need proof of his procrastination for the Cozy Crew archives. Also, welcome to the legendary left knee drama. She's been rubbing it for 2 weeks like she's trying to summon a genie. I, on the other hand, have 4 knees and you don't hear me complaining. She was worried about the numbers, but I had to remind her. People are joining the Cozy Crew even while she's hiding under the covers. Human, the stairs aren't going to sweep themselves. Limp if you must, but the crunch has reached a level 5 emergency. Now, let's talk about the logistics situation by the fish tank. This 40-pound bag arrived from the delivery truck, but the box it came in was a disaster. So out to the recycling it went. The bag has been living here for a week because, let's be honest, it's a boulder. Since the human's knee is currently on strike, she's not about to lug the whole thing at once. Enter the cereal bowl method. She's scooping it into the other box bit by bit. It's slow, it's steady, and it saves her back. Honestly, I'm just impressed she found a use for the bowl other than breakfast. And yes, I'll be up here handling my grooming, while the human handles the litter. Watch the technique. This is how you handle a delivery when your body says no, but the cat says, clean my bathroom. Back to today. She's calculating the steps. I can see the math in her head. Is one sweep worth the knee throb? Oh, look at that. The Olympic swerve. She's sweeping right past the pile of stuff on the landing. Bold move. We're just going to pretend that's architecture now? Fine. At least my paws won't be crunchy anymore.
I'll get to the landing eventually, Misty. Just not today. The stairs are swept and I feel a little bit more like myself. I wanted to be honest. I've been struggling lately. I almost walked away. But seeing new people join our cozy crew, even while I was quiet, that was the hug I didn't know I needed. It reminded me that this nest doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real. Thank you for sticking with me and Misty through the messy landings and the slow days.
Watching all that sweeping is exhausting. I'll be up here pampering myself.
She's pulling up the seat like she's about to watch a movie.
Time to check on the human. She better be hard at work cleaning my castle. Can't trust Lucky over there. She doesn't care about anything that goes on. Time to go spy on my other human.
Yeah, I'm out of here too. Time to nap.
Oh, look at these stairs. So much better for my precious paws. Human, you better be feeding me. After all that work, I'm starving. Patchy Patch, make haste. My tummy is growling. Human, hurry up. Faster, faster. I do not have all day. The human has done her chores. She may now resume her nap. Now everyone, go tell her in the comments how much you missed me. And tell us, what's the one messy landing in your house you're ignoring today? We've got a crew to look after.